Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever location you are watching this video, and this video is very special for our 5-year subscribers. Right? For the last 2 months, a lot of people were asking, oh, like, has Questpond stopped the trainings for our 5-year subscribers? No, it is not actually. So what we are going to do for our 5-year subscribers is very nice knowledge sharing sessions. These knowledge sharing sessions will go on for 4 hours and 5 hours, right? So we are starting on 28th of this month on the morning time, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Saturday and 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Sunday, we are starting the Azure training. We are starting the Azure training. See, if you look at the current job market, and remember that I had created one video, where I discussed about that what exactly a .NET developer should be doing in this current market of 2026. And we talked about the 3-4 A's, right? One is the ABC. You should know the C#, ASP.NET, SQL Server, Angular/React, whatever, right? The second one is architect, and the third one is Azure, and the fourth ones are add-ons. If I would suggest that you should please go and see the video, which is in the link we have pasted in the description section, right? But in this, one of the biggest component for getting calls is Azure. Even if your current organization is not using Azure, right, having a knowledge on Azure on your resume will surely add value, right? And this course, if you are a fresher in Azure or if you are starting with Azure, right, this course will actually help you out, right? So let us discuss, what is the syllabus for this course. So you can see on the screen, I'm flashing the complete course material out here, the knowledge sharing material. So if you're on questpond.com, right, you need to go to the weekend training, right? This weekend training is for 5-year subscribers, right? 5-year membership, right? So you can see what we are doing is we are trying to cover so much fundamental that you should be able to attend the interview, right? Also in this, I'm going to add one more thing is the AZ900 certification. So for AZ900, whatever is needed, I'll be covering that as well, right? So this is going to happen every Saturday and Sunday from 28th, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. 11 a.m. to the 12 afternoon, right? So you can see here first we'll talk about the the cloud concepts, right? We'll talk about EAS, PIAS, and CIAS, because if you are not knowing the basic structure of cloud, right, in infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, so we'll look into that, right? Then what we'll do is that we will go ahead and we'll create a virtual machine, and when we are creating this virtual machine, we'll go through the basic concepts of regions, availability zones, and all the other things, disaster recovery, update domain and fault domain, and so on, right? And then we'll also look into something called as a virtual machine set, right? We'll look into elastic scaling, right? Also, side by side, we'll be talking about resource groups, right? So when we are doing all this, resource group actually helps you to logically group them. So we'll be discussing that as well. Once we have completed one example of EAS, because when you talk about virtual machine, it is a EAS. So once we cover that, then we will go to cover one more, another section, which is the platform as a service. So we'll actually go and create an Azure app service, and we'll try to deploy an MVC core application. And while deploying, we'll look into slots, we will look into how to scale up and so on. And then we will look into the Azure storage services, right? And while doing so, we will also see that what exactly is needed for AZ900. We'll go through the important questions, what are asked in AZ900. Now remember that on Teachables, we have a 50 hours of Azure course. So if you remember, we have this Azure Basic to Advanced. We have 50 hours of Azure course here, right? I would suggest everyone should watch this course if you really want to become good in Azure, right? But this knowledge sharing session, I'm not going to go and take 50 hours because that would really go on for 6 months, because what my thought process is that why not on this Saturday and Sunday also try to cover some other topics. So what my plan is that to cover so much that you should be able to talk about Azure. You should be able to know the important services in Azure, right? So that is my goal in this. So this is the basic training. So we are starting from 28th, 11 p.m. And just in case if you have issues, please, I would suggest go to this chat out here, start chatting with our support person if you are interested, right? And that's what it is. So my goal here is that for the 5-year subscribers, right, remember that we have all our interview questions out there. I would suggest, guys, please take the maximum benefit of 5 years, right? So you can see here all our interview questions are out here, all our what do you call step-by-step videos are out here. We have the React.js videos out here. We have the microservices, the long training we have done, right? Go through it, right? We have also Azure Basic to Advanced, AI ML for C# developers, guys. Don't miss this. Almost 23 hours have been recorded, and I would suggest to go through that, right? You can also connect with me and take mock interviews. You need to send a mail at questpond@questpond.com. Take the maximum use of 5 years subscription out there. And so what my goal is that to make this 5-year subscription more attractive and more what do you call more beneficial to everyone. One is going to I'm regularly adding videos out here. So regularly I'm adding videos into this, right? For example, currently for AI/ML the videos are getting added. Also I'm planning to add some more interview questions around architecture and on Azure also. And this 11 a.m. to 12 afternoon, right, is where we can connect, we can discuss about various topics, right? So let us meet on 28th of this month, Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Happy learning, happy job hunting.